Next fight, calling the first fighter from Hyderabad with a record of 1 win, 1 loss, Sheikh Afnan Ahmed. Introducing his opponent, making his way from Guwahati, Assam, Bishal Gurung.
Both athletes in. Sheikh Afnan Ahmed, blue corner, and Bishal.
Is it just me, or is there a big height difference between these two men?
Certainly a big high difference. We
But
have
don't let that fool you. We have had fighters like in the past. We've seen guys like Sean Shirk, who was a tiny fighter but had such a big impact.
he was there was nothing else but muscle on that guy.
Exactly.
The
Same
muscle
like Chad
shark.
Mendes,
Muscle shark.
completely muscled. I want to see how this man looks like a wrestler. So I'm going to be interesting to see what strategy Sheikh Afnan employs here, because he's got the reach, he's got the height, he's got the length, and he's look at the way. I like how Afnan is trying to force the shot. Oh,
Nice.
big! Tried a front kick to the face there a second ago, but look at how tough both these men have started landing on each other.
Bishal needs to get on the inside and with a smart strategy, though he is windmilling his hooks.
Very nice, great movement by Sheikh Afnan. Man, that's
Yes,
impressive the way
he's-
he's moving his feet.
He's his outside punches very well as 1 and 2.
Very, very nice. I mean, I'm very, very impressed by Sheikh. The way he's moving, his footwork is fantastic. He's coming in and out perfectly.
And the way Vishal is entering, he is putting everything in every punch. Now he has the grip, he has the double.
I mean,
And
can't quite see.
and here we go with the
But good hips by Sheikh here, because he's doing a good job trying to posture back up. He's sprawled
Nice.
nicely. He's still got a
beautiful one.
And take down.
His Sheikh Afnan's presence of mind is very good.
No, he's
He's
absolutely
defending
brilliant.
very well.
And he's getting back up immediately. So, you know, Vishal is not being able to do much with these takedowns. Impressive slam, but nothing more than that. And now
he is in guard.
Vishal doing much better now to hold on and slow the pace of this fight down.
Throws up a triangle, does Afnan. Vishal needs to be very careful here. Afnan's longer limbs will come into play.
Yep, he's got the triangle. It's tight now. He's got that triangle.
And he's hammering, but he needs to control the head. He's not controlling the head.
Now he's got the arm. Now that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Oh, but he's let it go. He had a great position. But Vishal doing the right thing. He moved. He tried to pass guard. He got it into a loser position.
Absolutely. He is like a juggernaut. There was no neck there, or is there?
It's a good. There is no neck there. But in top position,
Absolutely.
trying to pass guard and go into mount.
Afnan is trying to frame on the neck.
Sheikh trying to bridge and get out of this position. He needs to turn his hips to inside towards him.
Absolutely. He needs to get that leg free and shrimp inside. Get that left leg under Vishal's left leg.
But good top control and balance by Vishal. You
Vishal.
can see he's chest heavy, staying firm on him. Very reminiscent to how a lot of the Dagestani wrestlers, they have very chest heavy balance and control. And you can see he's keeping him in position despite Sheikh doing a great job trying to shrimp out, trying to get an underhook and try to look to get back to his feet.
He needs to. He can also make a strong base and throw knees to the rib area.
You know, they're so close, it's almost going to feel like we're coaching them from this point.
Yeah, I know.
But his corner seems to be happy. Great first round.
Great.
Lots of
Very
action
nice.
between these two. A little tough one to score, though, because the start was for Sheikh. Absolute great start by Sheikh. And halfway through the round, you could see Vishal kind of took over, landed some good takedowns and worked through that takedown systematically with patience till he got it.
Absolutely, his outside punches, his 1 and 2, was very smooth. And whereas Vishal was coming in swinging for the fences,
he was wading in like a tank, like you called him.
a lot like Wanderlei Silva.
Yes,
the axe
exactly like
murderer.
Wanderlei Silva, in fact. And but Sheikh is so impressive to see that kind of movement so soon. You know, you have to remember,
Absolutely.
these guys are now. We have now passed out of, he's had 2 fights. You can see his experience
Very
showing
experienced.
from those 2
Absolutely,
fights. His
for-
feet are very, very good. He's
Very-
had great footwork, great movement. And I'm going to be interested to see because now he knows the power. They both felt each other out. Big uppercut, swing and a miss. And the tank goes to work. Vishal immediately gets a double, switches to a single now. Good hips and good reversal. Very good reversal. He's looking for a straight armbar. He's looking for a standing straight armbar. I mean, that would be something if he got
Something
that,
if
wouldn't
they-
that? Against single leg here.
Oh,
Oh, choke!
He's sunk
got
in
it.
one hook
He's
and
sunk
he has
it.
got it. That is
He's
a
got it.
that is a
Tight.
wrap.
It
That
is
is
tight.
a wrap
The
as
minute-
far as I know.
I mean, there was no room. I can't believe.
He's not allowing him to sink the hooks.
No, he's.
So he's
Is he out of it? Oh, wow, he fought out of it. No, but he's still in a bad way.
He needs to peel that one hand off. Now he's out of it.
Now he's
He
got it.
throws
Now-
in strikes and goes back for it. Does Afnan.
Man, for a second it looked like, but you said he might not have a neck.
Correct.
He doesn't have a neck.
He has
because
a
you can't
crank
choke
on.
this man.
He's has pressure on the jaw, and he's out of it. He almost has a 2-on-1. He should have worked on that.
But this is a good position to be in. But man, how tough are these guys?
Nice one to the body.
And Vishal didn't even look like he was phased by the entire attempt. That was a bit of a weird position. He looked for a head kick. But you know what? I think it was a body kick, but he was just, it's not. Forgive me.
The referee should check him getting his foot into the cage.
But this is Vishal's time now. He's in top position. Again, threatening
Again.
with that triangle. He's looking, he needs to. Man, how many triangle attempts have we seen today?
You think we're going to see Rampage Jackson versus Ricardo Arona here?
Oh man, if we see a slam, but no. I don't like how he's turning into that triangle. He's getting tighter and tighter. If he's got a hold of the hand.
He's
He
let it go. He let it go.
It's just pure muscle. He's just purely
He's-
muscling his way out of it. I mean,
Yep.
now,
He should use that left knee to the body. I would love to see him use those knees to the body
I
now.
think Vishal, if you say it loudly enough, he might hear you.
Might as well.
No, but look
Yeah.
at the position. You can see the pace that these guys are putting on now. He's looking for that. He's looking to isolate that left hand and trap it. It was called the salivary position once upon a time.
Yeah.
By a fighter that coined it.
Ivan Salisbury.
Yes.
Yes.
Against Sheikh.
The great thing is that they're not stalling. They're just going for it.
And Sheikh
Top-
is looking for an arm here trying to trap, but he needs to push off the. There we go. We're back in standing position, looking for that choke
A
again.
little bit of a scramble there.
Didn't we see a standing rear naked choke in the last fight?
Yes, we sure did. Last to last fight. Yeah.
Sorry, in the fight before the last. Yes.
He steps in with the punch, does Afnan.
And we come to a close of round number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is going to be a nightmare to score.
Absolutely.
Because in
I
my eyes,
wouldn't-
both these guys are winners.
I wouldn't want to be a judge in this
No,
one.
I don't want to be a judge today.
Bye.
Great action, great round. An absolute banger so far. 2 rounds in. I want this to be a 5-round fight, my friend. I think these guys have the stamina, they have the cardio, they're so well conditioned, they're so well trained, and it's just a treat to watch this.
Absolutely, and I really appreciate their attempt to
And
go
kudos
for
to the
finishes.
matchmaker, man. I mean,
Yes.
Somesh has done such a great job to pitch these 2 guys together. And you, Vishal, you put together these matches as well.
We
And
worked
such a great job.
Yeah, we really are so happy that both these fighters are going for it. You know, they're certainly going to be earning their paycheck. And
Absolutely. I see no loser here.
I just took the words right out of my mouth. There will be no loser. Everybody's going to be a winner.
Everybody's
in
a
this fight.
winner, and everybody needs to realize that this is amateur fighting. Amateur fighting for centuries have been the way to train yourself and get yourself ready for the pros. And then you see guys like Dimitri Bivol, who's had 300 amateur fights before even starting his first pro fight. That goes to
Correct.
show that he sharpened all his skills all that time. Here we go, third and final round between these two absolute warriors.
He's really wanted to connect that right hand, but Vishal needs to be in range.
And Sheikh is smart though. He knows now he can't
Yeah.
get pinned underneath him. He doesn't want to play there. He's trying to land those hooks. And this is what we talked about earlier. Sometimes taller fighters struggle so much with shorter fighters.
Lands on mount on a failed attempt of a body slam.
And he traps that arm momentarily, but landing some good ground and pound is Sheikh.
Flush. He's landing those shots flush.
And look at that reversal. Bishal gets out, sneaks out the back door, and he's looking to shoot again. Sheikh needs to be ready for that. Maybe he could look to land a knee or a front kick.
Nice low leg, but Vishal should take advantage of that because Sheikh is not setting it up with
Man.
punches.
But look at that drive. He shot from a mile out, and it still didn't look telegraphed. Beautiful form
Beautiful.
and technique. Goes, pins him up against the cage, and gets him into the position that he needs. He's wrapped his hands around here, though. But great hips on Sheikh.
He's got the grip. He needs to pull through and finish it now. He can do that with the right ankle as well.
Sheikh is, though, he's
There.
doing a good job by interlocking his. But eventually, Vishal got him to the ground either way.
Yeah.
But Vishal has not been able to capitalize from these positions. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not because he doesn't know what to do or can't do it. It's just Sheikh's defense has been so good on the ground.
Correct.
And these constant scrambles doesn't let him settle down. But I
Absolutely.
think Vishal needs to just slow down here in this position. Maybe try and isolate an arm. Maybe try and pass guard. Buy some time and let
Correct.
him squirm a little bit underneath him.
But Afnan is super happy being on his back, throwing up triangles. 2-3 attempts he's already
Again,
made,
as you
and he does it again.
Again, another triangle. Another triangle, and he's to pull down on the head now. He's to pull down on the head. There you go. Now
Go.
he's in his corner. He's in it. Man,
Oh, he got out again.
How did he get out again? It's
He
just
should have got his head out of there. He just gave it there, and he has the back.
he's trying again to flip him over now. He's almost got him. There you go. That headlock.
So-
Reverse position.
I'm sure from watching the tape, Vishal is going to learn a lot from this.
Oh yes, absolutely.
He had the backs a few times where he let it go, and now he's on the bottom.
Both men had advantageous positions in this fight, and now
Oh.
you can see Sheikh immediately. Beautiful left hook.
Nice.
Front
He
kick
is-
to the face. And Vishal, Hail Mary shot. 10 seconds left in the third and final round, and what a fight it's
Vishal
been.
needs to do something drastic. if he
Vishal
wants-
needs a knockout. That's all
He
he
certainly
needs.
needs one. Cannot be doing this now at 10 seconds left.
And the fight comes to an end. What a
Beautiful.
fight, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight.
What a fight.
Both men
Very
All on the line,
impressed.
Vishal.
Very impressed with Afnan's striking abilities, given his experience of two
His
fights.
overall cage presence, his presence in
Absolutely.
striking, his footwork, his movement. In
Yes.
round one, we saw great footwork and movement. We had some great
Correct.
shots. But credit to his opponent, Vishal. Vishal is like a dog on a bone.
Yes.
He came after him with those takedowns, tried to finish them, got into several advantageous positions. And unfortunately,
Just-
that's where the skill and experience matters.
Correct,
It shows
correct.
he will grow and become a better fighter after
Much
this.
better, absolutely. And it doesn't, like I said before in the previous fight, this is the second time we are seeing a world champion in his corner who's also done things the right way. He has about 52 fights as an amateur. He's won about 43 of them. And he is also the 2018 junior world champion is Mehboob Khan from Telangana. That is where Afnan is from as well. So a lot of good things to see, for aspiring fighters who will get to watch these fights.
Absolutely, certainly. And, a big shout out to, of course, you've been watching Superhuman Battleground. This is their fourth fight night. And what a great endeavor to, amateur fight not been given enough of eyeballs. It doesn't get enough views. It doesn't give enough importance. And organizations like Superhuman Battleground has done such a great job in making amateur fighting a big part and an important part of a fighter's journey.
Phenomenal job, and you rightly said it. Our team of Superhuman Battleground, the team behind the scenes, has a lot of collective experience, Arjun. And, we could say they have about 400 years of collective experience.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee, the judges have rendered their decision. Your winner by a split decision from the blue corner, Sheikh Afnan Ahmed.
Afnan bags the 15K winner purse, and good performance by both athletes. Afnan was a little too much for Bishal.